Do you know the meaning of this word?
インフレ、
How about this one?
インフラ、
You hear both of these words in the news quite a bit.
インフレ、
Means inflation and
インフラ、
means infrastructure. But can you keep them apart? The only difference in sound is with the last kana, de, and da. For
インフレ、
it ends with a de, and for
インフラ、
it ends with a da. Here are 2 tips for keeping them straight. Infrastructure has a ra or da in the spelling. And if you mentally continue out the sound from the last vowel, it sounds like the English.
インフレ、
Ends with an a sound, which sounds like the a in inflation.
インフラ、
Ends with a sound, which sounds like the in infrastructure. Now, repeat after the speaker.
インフレ、インフレ、インフラ、インフラ、
Okay, let's go back and use these 2 words in sentences. First,
インフレ、
inflation. Originating from the English word inflation,
インフレ、
refers to the economic phenomenon where the general price level of goods and services is rising, and subsequently, purchasing power is falling. Let's examine a few example sentences.
インフレ率は 2% を下回っている。
The inflation rate is below 2%.
インフレ率は 2% を下回っている。最近のインフレで物価が高騰した。
Recent inflation has caused prices to skyrocket.
最近のインフレで物価が高騰した。
And now let's look at infrastructure. The term
インフラ、
comes from the English word infrastructure. In Japanese, it is used to refer to the basic facilities and systems serving a county, city, or other area, including services necessary for the economy to function. Transportation systems, water supply, electricity, communication networks, public facilities, schools, and hospitals are a few such examples. Example sentences.
この地域は電力や水道などの基本的なインフラが不足している。
This region lacks basic infrastructure such as electricity and water supply.
この地域は電力や水道などの基本的なインフラが不足している。政府はインフラ投資を増額する。
The government will increase infrastructure investment.
政府はインフラ投資を増額する。
These 2 words sound so similar in Japanese, they are easy to mix up. But with just a bit of practice, you can keep them straight. Until next time.
チャンネル登録してね。